What if product configuration didn't require separate systems for engineering, manufacturing, and marketing? Today, most companies manage product variability with separate configurators across domains. Teamcenter brings this together into one configurator with intent-based views. This eliminates the complexity of keeping systems in sync. With sales, engineering, and manufacturing together in a single product configurator, you can validate configurations early and ensure what marketing defines is actually feasible in engineering and manufacturing. Let's explore how intent shapes the configuration experience. We begin with a complete view of all product variants. The Options tab shows available choices across both engineering and marketing. Now we apply an engineering intent profile. The system prepares the configuration for engineering use, filtering the view to include what's needed for validation. Next, we switch from engineering to marketing intent. The experience updates automatically. Engineering-specific elements are removed, and customer-facing purchase options are introduced. Each view is streamlined, but driven by the same unified configuration model. This is intent-driven product configuration in Teamcenter. One model, multiple perspectives, for consistent decisions across the product lifecycle.